Roshni myself, but she is a poetess. And all her poetry is around women. जो हम आज सुनेंगे, and जो बुलवाएंगे उनसे रोशनी. She has traveled all the way from Delhi. She's an artist. She has been an artist since her childhood. And creating that collective energy to fall in sync with each other, with our instruments. We are not musicians, we don't have to be musicians, we have to follow our intuition. The one thing which I like about myself is that I'm up for challenges, though it sounds very cliche.
I'm very loyal to a person who's very loyal to me.
That I love learning new skills.
Definitely, I love my smile.
And I'm also very adjusting, be it in the mountains or...
I like to forget everything, whatever my past learning, feathers, everything, and become a clean, plain slate.
If life gives me lemons, I definitely make a nice lemonade outfit.
And make anyone and everyone comfortable in my presence. And I think that's great.
Do you think today's women are learning to cross their nahilis confidently, or they are still skeptical?
जिंदगी के किताब से 4 पन्ने फुर्सत के निकाल लो, वो पन्ने जिनमें रुक कर तुम सांस ले सको, जिनमें रुक कर तुम सांस ले सको, इस भागती दौड़ती जिंदगी के धूप से एक खूबसूरत भरी शाम उन पन्नों पर लिख सको.
Do you feel aligned in the way I see you, or do you think you are actually a different person from what I see you?
In every relationship, develop strength and loyal companionship. Happy Women's Day. Celebrate women every day.
क्या हम अपने अनुभवों से बनते हैं या अपने चुनावों से?